All right, so we've got the assembly, we've got the back piece, we've got the front piece. Next thing I'm going to do is create another sheet, and I'm going to call this, right click, BOM and callout. Enter. Okay, so BOM and callout is a little bit different. We're still going to use the assembly, but it's going to be a different way we're going to use it. So I'm going to click in, jump into my assembly, but instead of putting the front, we're going to change the view orientation to isometric, and I want to increase the size. So I'm going to go probably 1 to, I would say, half. Okay, no, that's a little bit big. How about 2.5? Whoa. Let's try 1 to 2.5. Perfect. Okay, we want it big, but we don't want it too big. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, click that in. We don't do any multi-view drawings. Okay, so there's no top, there's no whatever. It's just a straight isometric. We are going to right click, and we are going to show shaded view. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look up here. It says BOM table. BOM table is exactly what you get for your parts list. So when you were looking at your parts list, that's exactly what we're making. So with that being said, I'm going to click. Put it right there. I'm just going to resize a couple of things. Don't need that much. Don't need that much. And I've learned that if you simply pull this, that's the only way to get more room in the description. I could do that. There you go. Okay. So once I'm done with that, I know for a fact that my item number 1, as I mouse over it, is highlighted. That's going to be our back pieces. And item number 2 is going to be our front pieces. So we're going to use a note tool, and we're going to go ahead and say this is back pieces. And this is front pieces. All right, now the description is where we put in the, obviously, the dimensions, just like your other one. 0.75 inches, and I'm just using X for times. 3 inches by 9 inches. Check mark. Last but not least, 0.75 inches by 1.5. Whoops, 1.5 inches by 8 inches. Okay. Press escape, get out of there. And we're going to add these things called callouts. Callouts are just basically indicators, and you want to click on something that you can see easily. So I'm going to click right there. Okay, you'll notice that item 1, so that's identifying that, and I'm going to click right here. Okay. So item 1 looks at the blue, item 2 looks at the red, and you are ready to go. All right. So one video left. I'm going to show you how to digitally print and upload. And you are done.